everybody, welcome to Tai Chi class. In this flow, we're going to focus on grasping the bird's tail, along with a couple of other moves. So let's get flowing. Take a nice deep breath in, and out. Do that for me again, nice deep breath in, through the nose, out through the mouth. Arms start out to the sides. And back down. Nice deep breath in. And out. And now bend at the elbows, gather in. Press down. Nice deep breath in. Open the door. Take that nice deep breath in and out. And now round your hands out in front of you, giving a nice big hug. This hand will float to the top of the chest. This hand will follow underneath and embrace that moon. Toss that moon up into the sky. Switch your hands and do it again. Nice deep breath in and out. Nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now tap this foot in, take a step out. This hand will come out like you're gently brushing open a curtain, and this hand will come back down by the hips. Turn at the hips, catch that moon, and gently brush open the curtain. Nice deep breath in and out. Take this hand, scoop under, come up and over to the other side. Catch that moon, take that step out, and gently brush open the curtain. Nice deep breath in and out. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Take this hand, scoop under, up and over. Catch the moon on this side. One hand, gently brush open the curtain. And then take this hand, scoop under, two palms facing but not touching, and slide down. Nice deep breath in and out. And now slide down halfway. Scoop this hand up and over. And let's go back to the other side. One hand, gently brush open the curtain. And take this hand, two palms facing but not touching. Slide down. And bring it back. Nice deep breath in and out. fingertips. And now slide down halfway. Reach through, up and over. And to the other side. One time, two palms facing, but not touching. Slide down, and now toss. Cross at the wrists, and cross. Nice deep breath in. Down. Now slide down halfway, reach through, up and over, to the other side. One time gently, brush aside the curtain. One time, slide down, toss, cross, nice deep breath in. And slide down halfway. Reach through, up and over, to the other side. And what we're doing here is we're breaking this group down into the individual components. We're practicing one at a time. Slide down, toss, cross, cross. Now separate the hands and pull in. All of these together is grasping the bird's tail. Pull it in, push out. Take a nice deep breath in, and out. And now this transition is going to be a little bit different. Bend at the elbows, open the heart space, and close up the other side. And separate the hands and pull in. Push out. Nice deep breath in. And out. And open. One time for each segment. And to the other side. And open. Now catch that moon, but this time throw it up over your shoulder, take a step out, and chop down for old month chops away. Bring it back, turn the moon up over your shoulder, and chop the wood. Nice deep breath in, and out. And now this palm comes up, this palm comes on the top of your wrist, and you're tucking your pulse. Bring it up and over, tuck this toe in, step out with a push. Come on, Flairs rose. Now this hand, palm up, check your pulse. And rotate to the other side, up and over your head. Tap the toe in, step out for the push. Nice deep breath in. and down. In. And now, keep this hand going. Catch that moon. Tap the toe in. Throw it up over your shoulder. And chop the wood. Nice deep breath in. And out. This palm up, check your pulse, and flare the ropes. And sink the chi. At the bottom, cross at the wrists, bring them up and over, and let's close the door. Let's breath in, and out. Arms fall back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class.